Hello, welcome back. Today in this video, I will present Lesson 2, Phonetic Alphabet. As we have talked in the last video, there are three parts for pinyin. The first one is initials, we call it 声母. Second one is finals, we call it 韵母. The third one is tones, we call it 音调. Here in this video, I will explain these three parts one by one. First is initials, 声母. There are 23 声母altogether in the Chinese pinyin system. Here is presented in this form I have prepared last time for you. Let me read for you one by one. 波 坡 摸 ف 的 th 呢 了 g 科 h 鸡 七 西 之 吃 诗 日 z 次 s 一 u. Later I teach you one by one, so now you just need to have a rough idea about how it sounds. Then it comes to finals, 韵母. There are three groups of finals. The first one we call it single finals. In Chinese, it means 单韵母. It includes 6 alphabets. 5 of them is the same as in English. It's a vowel. And the last one has 2 dots on the top of the U. So let me pronounce these for you. A, O, I, U, Ü. The second group we call it double finals. In Chinese, it's 双韵母, means there are 2 vowels combined together to form these double finals. Let me pronounce for you. I, A, V, Ao, O, U, Ye, Yue, The last group we call nasal finals. Actually, it's a combination of a vowel plus a nasal consonant, n. So, at the end, let me pronounce for you. An, en, in, wen, yun. When you listen to my pronunciation, you could feel the pronunciation is come out of the front part of nasal. In the second line, we got a g behind the first 2 alphabets. We call it back nasal finals. So when you pronounce it, you use it the back part of your nasal. Let me pronounce for you. Ang, in, on. Okay, this is the initials and finals. Here I just present you how this alphabet sounds like. So you're going to learn them one by one in the future. The next one is tones. 音调. As I mentioned before, there are 4 tones altogether in the pinyin system. Tone 1, 2, 3, and 4 has usually we put these signs on the top of the first vowels in the finals. There are many characters having very similar finals and initials, but only the difference at the tone. So if you made mistake in the tone, then you may say something not you expect to. For the first tone, this tone is a little bit level. There's no change of your tone from the beginning to the end. It's a level and high and strong tone. If I use the vowel I present previously as an example, a, we say ah, so very smooth and level voice. You can see here it's a straight line showing your voice doesn't change. It's a level voice. For the second tongue, the voice starts from a low voice and increase. Using the vowel ah as example, we say ah. For the third tongue, it has a change. From the beginning, the voice a little bit high, and it goes down, again goes up. Like you climb from the mountain down, again climb up. Use the ah as example, we say ah. And for the fourth tongue, if you see the sign, you know that the voice from high to low. They say ah. So the tongue is very important because there are many characters having same initials and same finals. The only difference is the tongue. A different tongue may show you different word. So if you make a mistake in the tongue, you would speak out the wrong word. For example, if you say the first word is mom, they pronounce the first tongue for the vowel, ma. But for the horse, we have the third tongue. We say ma. So when you're talking, if you mix up this word, you don't know you're talking with mom or talking with horse. So the second example is fish and ring. The initial and final are both the same, but the tongue are different. For fish, we pronounce as yu, is the second tongue. But for ring, we pronounce the third tongue, yu. The third example is about buy and sell. When it's buy, you say 买, so it's the third tongue. When you want to sell something, you say 卖, is the fourth tongue. In this situation, if you mix up these two tongues, you're going to be in trouble. You don't know you're going to buy or sell. So it's very important you got idea about how this vowel pronounced, and later you know how these compound finals pronounced. Here I will show you each of these vowels, how they pronounce. For the first one, ah, 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 ah. Second one, o, 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 o. Third one, Fourth one, e, 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 e. Fifth one, u, 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 u. The sixth one, ü, 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 ü. I wish after this lesson you know the Chinese pinyin system, initials, finals, and different tongues. Try to learn or practice these different tongues of the vowel. Here, I gave you some link for your reference. One is for pinyin song to show you all of the initials and finals, how they are pronounced. And the other two is for the tongues. It's going to show you how to pronounce different tongues. I wish you got something today. Again, if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up, save, share, and subscribe. Or leave a comment down below. Thank you.